This 2025 Prime Time Avenger 28 REI is a travel trailer RV. It is located in South Weber, Utah, 84405 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Prime Time is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.